welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. So today I'm creating this super fun, easy little baby glam look. I hope that you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I did was my brows, just got that out of the way. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, as you all know by now. That is what I usually reach for when I have to prime my eyes, so just using my fingers. Now to set everything, I'm using the Sephora amplifier. It is my favorite go-to. I love it. And I'm using this little like brush. Just setting the concealer on my lids to make sure that the shadows have a nice space. You know, basic steps. Okay, so today I'm using the Subculture palette by Anastasia, and I'm doing a very soft, neutrally kind of look today. So I'm going to start off with my go-to brush. If you've been watching me, you already know this is the brush I always use. It's the Sephora Y19 brush. Just looks like that. Fluffy brush. Love it. I use it all the time. Going in, I'm going to show you guys the three colors I'm going to be using. So I'm going in with this color right here, Dawn. This peachy one, this peachy one right here. I don't know what that says. Is it Roxy? Oh, it's Roxy. And then Fudge, that brown one right there. And then I'm going in, I think that's what I might use, and then we'll see how it goes. But I'm starting off with that color Dawn, which is like a creamy color. And just popping that right on the crease of both my eyes. Now I'm going in with the color Roxy, which is that like orangey color. And I'm just ever so lightly plopping that on the crease. Now I'm going in with the color Fudge and just plopping that right on the outer corners and just blending up.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go till the morning glow. We can go higher and higher for hours now.
Okay, I did so much blending. Now I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Sable eyeshadow. Oh my god, I can't open it. Okay, Bobbi Brown Sable eyeshadow. There we go. And I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown eye definer. I've been doing this so much lately. Just using this as eyeliner for my upper lash line. Okay, now I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty Anti-Redness Serum. This stuff is so good. I've tried it out a couple times and I really like it. It just reduces redness that I have going on in my face. So I don't know if you can tell, a couple red spots on my face, so it just helps reduce that. So I'm just applying like a thin layer all over my face, making sure to get the parts of my face that I have most redness, which is mostly like my cheek area. So I do that. I would then go in with the primer. This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer, but I feel like this acts as primer, so I don't combine these. Depending on how I feel, sometimes I do, but I think my skin's pretty good right now, so I'm just going to go in with the serum. Now I'm going in with foundation, and I'm using my go-to Revlon Color Stay foundation. Guys, I'm running out. Whoops. I need to go buy a new one. I'm like totally running out. Oh shoot. Also, sorry if the lighting's a little weird. I'm filming during the day, which I feel like I don't normally do, and the sun is like, or the clouds are covering the sun, so sorry. As you can tell, it's like a window back there. But yeah.
The ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. Now my soul beats the sound.
Now I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape as my concealer and concealing my under eyes. I'm also running out of this. Gotta go buy some more. My forehead, my nose, chin. I'm just blending out.
Loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt. And now I'm never gonna slow down.
Okay, now I'm gonna set my face with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. Now I'm going in with bronzer, and I'm using the Rimmel bronzer in the color Sunlight.
Never gonna slow.
Okay, now I'm going in with blush, and I'm using the blush Melba by MAC. It's so pretty. It's like this orangey, like muted orange, corally kind of color. Super pretty. I'm just plopping that on my cheeks. Guys, I'm loving this look so far. Super cute, so pretty. Okay, now I'm going in with Lancome Grandiose mascara. And I'm just gonna apply this on my top lashes. I really like this mascara because it really just separates all your lashes. Makes them look extra long. I wanted to show you the difference. Can you guys see it? Can we see the difference? I don't know. I hope you can. It's like such a good mascara. I mean, it's a little bit on the pricier side, but it's so worth it. It's so good. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara over top. This I feel like adds volume to your lashes, and since I'm not wearing falsies today, I feel like I need all the mascaras to do their job. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go in with Great Lash by Maybelline, the clear eyebrow gel. Wow, I cannot say that. And I'm just setting my brows in place. Because, you know, you gotta tame your brows. And for lips, my favorite thing, I feel like, can you guys see me? Do I look like orangey? I don't know, I really hope you can see me. It's not orange. But for lips, I'm using the Becca Glow Gloss in the color Opal. So this is so pretty on the lips. It has this little plumping effect, and I really like it. It smells minty, and the color is beautiful. So I applied that on my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with the color Foxy, which is that like peachy color. Just tapping off the extra, and then just like plopping that right underneath the lash line and dragging it across. Okay. Then for a little pop, I'm going in with Anastasia Amrezy Highlight. We all know what this looks like. It's so beautiful. I love it. So I'm just grabbing a little bit on my brush and just plopping it right in the inner corners. Should I add a little on my nose? I feel like I'm just gonna add like a little bit on the tip of my nose, like my signature, you know, go-to. Just like a little. Okay, perfect. So that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you do, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you guys as subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.